Delhi or New Delhi is the national capital city of India. The city of Delhi actually consists of two components: Old Delhi in the north, the historic city, and New Delhi in the south. Since 1947, the capital of India, built in the first part of the 20th century as the capital of British India. One of the country's largest urban agglomerations, Delhi sits astride the Yamuna River, a tributary of the Ganga River, about 100 miles south of the Himalayas. The National Capital Territory embraces Old and New Delhi and the surrounding metropolitan region as well as adjacent rural areas. To the east, the territory is bounded by the state of Uttar Pradesh, and to the north, west and south it is bounded by the state of Haryana. Here is an interesting fact. Did you know that after Tokyo, Delhi is the second most populated city in the world? Red Fort, also called the Lal Killa, is a Mughal fort in Old Delhi, India. It was built by Shah Jahan in the mid-17th century and remains a major tourist attraction. The fort was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. The fort's massive red sandstone walls, which stand 75 feet high, enclose a complex of palaces and entertainment halls, projecting balconies, baths and indoor canals and geometric gardens, as well as an ornate mosque. Among the most famous structures of the complex are the Hall of Public Audience, which has 60 red sandstone pillars supporting a flat roof, and the Hall of Private Audience, which is smaller with a pavilion of white marble. Qutub Minar in Delhi is one of the most visited tourist attractions in India. It is one of the best historic monuments of the country. Surrounded by many other prime attractions, Qutub Minar still stands tall among other attractions in the country. Qutub Minar is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the tallest brick minaret in the world at the height of 72.5 meters. The structure portrays Indo-Mughal architecture, which is beautifully done carvings and the intricate designs. There are 379 stairs inside the tower of Qutub Minar, which leads to the top. The whole structure is built using red and buff sandstone. It also has verses from the Quran carved into it. The Qutub Minar is a little tilted to one side. This tilt is due to the number of additions and renovations done on the structure over the years. There are protruding balconies that surround each story of Qutub Minar. It is said that there were around 27 temples at the site which were destroyed by invaders. Here is a fact. Following an accident in 1981 where many people lost their lives, the government has restricted visitors from climbing the tower. Humayun's tomb attracts tourists visiting Delhi with its breathtaking architecture. It was designed by a Persian architect, Miraq Mirza Ghias, chosen by the Begum. The tomb was constructed at the cost of 1.5 million and took 7 years to be completed. Unlike other grand mausoleums like Taj Mahal, which were built by the husband in the memory of his wife, this tomb was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Humayun's first wife, Empress Bega Begum, after his death. It was this glorious tomb with its high arches and grand domes that served as a model and architectural inspiration for Taj Mahal. The body of Emperor Humayun was buried in two different locations before finally being placed in the present tomb. He was first buried in his palace in Delhi and later reburied in Sirhind, Punjab, to be protected from possible damage by Hindu king Hemu, who had defeated the Mughals in Agra and Delhi in 1556. The Lotus Temple, also known as Kamal Mandir in Delhi, is a matchless architectural marvel and one of the prime tourist attractions of the national capital. Shaped in the form of a spectacular lotus with white petals, it is a breathtaking sight and attracts countless visitors throughout the year. Unlike most other places of worship, this temple or Baha'i house of worship does not allow ritualistic ceremonies and has no fixed pattern to conduct worship. The Lotus Temple is a Baha'i house of worship opened to the public in December 1986. Like all other Baha'i temples, it is also dedicated to the oneness of religions and humanity. Followers of all religions are welcome to gather here to pray, worship, and read their scriptures. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is touted as one of the 7 major Baha'i houses of worship located across the world and only one in Asia. Here is an interesting fact about the Lotus Temple. It is the first temple in the national capital that makes use of solar power.